Trade Genius.
Guys, what's up? Philip at Trade Genius. Something I wanted to share with you guys was, when we have our signals fire, it doesn't matter if the market's going down or it's going up or sideways for that matter, because you can take bite-sized chunks out of the market. And what I mean by that is, I'll just show you like the last couple of weeks from December or November 27th thereabouts to recently, we're down about 10.34% on Bitcoin. Now I'm going to show you something here with our indicator. You'll see what we like to do is take the moneymaker indicator, and this is just one indicator, but this is just simply how you could do it. When you take it, and we like to put it on the linear regression channel, and we just take them when they're in the bottom of the linear regression channel. You can take these signals when they fire, and you can see where these all give you nice opportunities. Now you're gonna kind of just concentrate on the buys, because most of you aren't shorting the market. You're just looking for swing opportunities, because we really for most of you don't have access to the ability to short Bitcoin. So you got an opportunity to get in here for 8.6% of a total move. You also have a move here and these are conservative numbers because you're just assuming you're getting in, but when these things fire, you have an opportunity to catch a pullback too, right? So this one had 15.48% of a move on that. You scroll back down over here. Again, we're not going to take these because they're in the upper part of the channel, but this fires in the lower part of the channel, and that's a 5% move. Had another one in the lower part of the channel fire, a 3% move. And so those are the kind of things, guys, where you have these moves that fire. You take these setups the way we teach them, and there's a lot of opportunities. This is a 4-hour chart, so it doesn't require you to be sitting in front of the computer. Also, these signals will be sent to you via email, and if you get our package number 1 at tradelikeagenius.com, gives you all of this and the chat rooms and stuff, so you've got us available to ask questions and things like that. So guys, check that out. Again, this is just an example of how we do this. Again, we don't take every single one. We want to make sure that they're in the right part of the channel before taking it. When they do, you can see they work out pretty well, and there's a lot of opportunity to catch profits on these. And your stops are pretty simple. You put them below the lows that are put in when the signal fires, and that's pretty much it. And then you look to move those up as price starts going in the direction of the trade. So lots of opportunities, guys. Welcome you guys to join us in the room. Again, head over to tradelikeagenius.com. Package number 1 will get you filled in on all those. But just an example of how you can make money in this market. Even though it's a bearish market, still a lot of opportunities to do that. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Hope that helps. Please hit like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on tomorrow morning's video. All right, take care. Bye.
Trade Genius.